Hello, Mr. Sandran. I'm waiting from class 1FO2, and today I'm going to show you my design concept. The site I have chosen is Site C, and my clients are Rohan and Natasha. Rohan is a homework chef who carries business at home, and he usually invite clients come over for food tasting. So my focus on the design is kitchen and dining area, and also I have this barbecue area for him, and also a vegetation field and a pond here. So sometimes he can probably grow organic vegetables and catch some fish and cook for his clients. So there is a carport and also the elderlies at home. So I create this master bedroom on the ground floor to create to provide more convenience for them. So the family likes to travel around. So they also likes to collect food equipment, preparation equipment. So I create this storage for them. And also the family likes to socialize. So I have this big living room here with the terrace next to it uh, through a sliding door. There's a part utility area. And also the grandparents likes to have afternoon teas. So I have created this small private terrace for them with a sliding door nearby to the next to the master bedroom. So let's take a look of the SketchUp. So this is my SketchUp. As you can see, one of my focus on the whole model is the dining area. So I created this dining area with a double volume space, and on top of it is a skylight, which helps the whole building to receive better natural sunlight. And also, apart from catering the client's needs, I also create a few sustainable features, such as the green wall, green roof, and also water irrigation system, which will helps to make the building a more sustainable and eco-friendly building. Thank you.